Crystal here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today's activity is going to be how to make binoculars out of toilet paper rolls. So the materials that you're going to need for this activity are going to be 2 rolls of toilet paper, yarn or ribbon, some markers, a pair of scissors, some extra cardboard, and one of these 4 types of glue. So the first step is to take both of your toilet paper rolls and you're going to decorate them. Okay, and once you decorate them, they should look nice and colorful. After that, you're going to get your spare piece of cardboard and you're going to cut a little rectangle out of it. And you are going to place it in between both of your binoculars. So with your hot glue gun, you're just going to hot glue it right there. And this is what it should look like afterwards. Okay, and make sure you leave it at a good distance where you're not like super close. See, mine you could see through both. After they dry off, you want to get your pair of scissors, or if you have a hole puncher, this would be way easier. And we're going to make 2 holes where the yarn is going to go. So you're going to pick the opposite side, so I'm going to go on the outside. So I'm going to squeeze a little bit and I'm just going to make a little hole right there. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to squeeze and make a little hole right there. Okay, and now you get your yarn. I actually found some really colorful ones, so I'm going to put this one. And you just put it in through the holes. Okay, and once you apply your yarn, you're done. Now you just let it dry off, and then you could go ahead and spy on your neighbors. Look for some birds. Have fun. Bye.